Hey all, welcome you all to PETEX. This is Denny Sam, the marketing manager of Jomin Animal Health. So we are into milk replacing products for puppies as well as for cats, and also we have got cat treats, catheters, pet traps, and all the grooming products. We are participating in PETEX for the first time in 2023, and yes, it is a massive, great exposure for us, and also it is a great place for us to meet all the breeders, visitors, and also individual pet holders, pet parents. And it's a great collaborative event which is helping us to get to know more about people who are having pets, and also for us to understand the market insights about the growing market of India. So thank you for this opportunity, and I really love the way PETEX is actually organizing this event, and also will be very grateful if they are helping or making such kind of events happening every year in almost most parts of the city, of the country.